If you ever find yourself in Letchworth State Park, when the days are warm and the nights are cold, you may want to wake up early the next morning. Because if you're lucky and the conditions are right, you'll see the park transform. It starts slowly at first as the colder air moves over the warmer water of the Genesee River. On some mornings, this results in only the odd patch of fog or a cloud of mist that can be seen to struggle out of the gorge before it unravels in the air above. On other mornings, the mist and cloud begin to win the battle. Under these circumstances, even the tremendous mist at the Middle Falls is more earthbound than usual. There are none of the rainbows seen so often during the day, yet the promise they signify is felt no less. And then quickly, on some mornings, the mist will rally to fill the massive gorge, for a short time forming a sea of clouds that serves as an amorphous connection between the disassociated land masses within the park. This battle is fleeting, though. The sun will continue to rise. The cool night air will continue to warm. And the army of cloud will retreat once again, waiting for another set of perfect circumstances to rise. Should you be there on a morning like this, my advice: bundle up, sit back, and enjoy the show.